Can your smart door stop a smart thief? Well, you have heard about smart homes. The smart door is a version of smart home technology, and it's not a myth anymore. Hello everyone, here we are going to talk about the best 5 smart door locks. And it doesn't mean you have to own a smart home to have a smart door lock. You just need a house that has a door. You can install it on any door. So without any further, let's get started. Number 5. Lockless Secure Plus. Lockless digital keypad display is unique every time when someone approaches your door. Lockless Secure Plus is an easy-to-use smart lock design featuring the highest level of security, fingerprint reader, Bluetooth functionality, and a bigger battery. With smartphone, you can monitor door access, entry, and exit records from anywhere. Lock and unlock the door and create access codes for your family, friends, and tenants of keyless entry. Number 4. Quickset Hello. Quickset Hello is the best smart lock with a rekeyable lock. It is easier to know who gets in and out of your sweet house. It is a Wi-Fi connected door lock that connects directly to your home Wi-Fi network and smartphone for a secure smart home. There you also can control who has access with a physical key as well as a virtual one without changing the lock, and have the protection against advanced break-in techniques and allows you to rekey your lock yourself in seconds. Number 3. Yale Real Living Assure SL. Introducing the slimmest electronic lock for your home, the Assure Lock SL. Yale Secure is a modest upgrade to the old Yale Real Living app, quick to respond to requests to open or close the lock and allows you to enjoy the convenience of 100% key-free unlocking while enhancing curved appeal. The lock can be energized with a 9V battery, customized auto relock, privacy mode, and temper alarms within the lock menu. Number 2. Schlage Code. The other revolution of the modern age is the smart alarm lock of the Schlage Code. Schlage Code and Wi-Fi connections gives you the everywhere control capacity of your sweet home. 100 access codes and fingerprint resistant captive touchscreen with easy one-touch locking. Optional voice control offers hands-free convenience when
unlocked.
using voice-enabled products like Alexa or Google Assistant. A low battery indicator offers weeks of advance warning for battery replacement. Number 1. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is the perfect solution if you want to keep your existing keys but just want to add some smart to your door. It's significantly smaller than previous generations and offers the same outstanding features like Wi-Fi control without setup hassle, biometric authentication support, voice control with Google Assistant. Another brilliant feature is Door Sense, which allows the smart lock to understand when the door has been completely closed and when it's open. The August Home app can use your phone's location to lock your door automatically when you drive away and unlock your door when you arrive home. So, which lock is going to get a place in your door? Let us know in the comment below.